Hey everyone, Mike here from Paessler. Notifications are a major feature of PRTG and they're essential for any network monitoring tool. However, one feature that many users aren't aware of is alerting via libraries in PRTG, which allows for an even greater level of control over how notifications are handled and offers the ability to be notified only in certain areas of your setup. Rather than having to modify multiple notification triggers across different parts of a device tree, by using libraries, you can create triggers that apply to multiple devices and sensors for a specific section of your device tree. Let me show you what I mean. So here we are in our test instance. So notifications with libraries in PRTG, they're not really used by that many users. But what it does do is offer a really dynamic way to optimize your notifications, whether it's using emails, SMS, whatever you're using. It can be used for standby services, similar scenarios, to really give you more control over your notifications. So I'm going to start by creating a new library. And we're going to call it ping. So I'm just going to call upon, I want to bring all my ping sensors into my library. So I'm going to call the library ping, nice and simple. So let's create that. So now we have our new library. So you've got a few ways you can add sensors. You can either just drag them and drop them from the right-hand side, which a lot of people like to do. But my personal favorite way is to add a library node. And what this allows you to do is to filter for sensors. Now, because I want to bring in all of my ping sensors, I'd like to bring in the V1 and the V2 sensors. So I'm going to show a collection of the filtered sensors. And then I'm going to select only use sensors with a specific tag. So I'm going to search by tag. So I'm going to type in ping and then type ping sensor. Let's create that. And there we go. On my left-hand side, I can now see all of the ping sensors in my device tree. They're not specific to devices. It's just all the pings, version 1s and version 2s. So I've got a nice overview of everything there. So now what I'm going to do is click on notification triggers so I can create a trigger for this specific set of sensors. So I'm going to add a state trigger. And what I'd like to do now is I want to create a trigger. So if any of those sensors is down for at least 60 seconds, I want it to email our admin group to let everybody know that there's a problem with one of the devices. So yeah, we've got that set up. How we want to is email the whole demo admin users, and we're going to save that. And now, as soon as one of those sensors goes into a down state for 60 seconds, the right people are going to be notified. So, as you can see, this is super simple to set up, and it's something that you can try straight away. So give it a go yourself. Thanks for watching. See you soon.